Have you seen those captions on TikTok that look really cool also using emoji and you feel like, oh my God, this will take me so much time to do in Premiere Pro or whatever software you're using? No, these are generated on TikTok in the app, and you can actually change the styles and see whatever fits you best. And those captions are literally looking so good. You know it, right? You want to learn how to do it, so that's why you're on this video. I'm going to show you how to do it in, oh my God, the quickest way. Once you edited the video, click on the captions logo on the right bottom corner and wait for the captions to generate. You can then, of course, fix the mistakes, especially in the names, because that's what's not recognizable. Otherwise, the captions are pretty accurate. So go through them, never mind how they look now, you're going to change it after. Once everything is fixed, you click on Style at the bottom, and you can preview those styles, and don't forget to resize it to fit the frame, but also don't place the captions too low because you're gonna have description of the video there. So keep them somewhere in a little bit above where your username is gonna go. You can switch between the styles and see which one fits your brand the most. Some of the captions even have emojis, which I think it's great. Once you find your style that you like, you click OK, and then you make sure they're big enough to be read comfortably, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, use the thanks button to say thank you, and I'll see you next time.